Hello, my friends. How are y'all doing today? I just got back to the mailbox again, but this I've been waiting for a week or more. And this is from the olive tree people. I guess they call it Oliveda. Look at the neat graphics on this box. I think it's pretty cool. And I've got something right there too. Probably showing backwards to you guys, but ooh, okay, let's open this up. And I will talk and explain, because this is new to me too. And this is something I wanted to try for my health, for what I'm going through. So I have to be really gentle and not take as much as it says. Well, it's just cool packaging. Look at this paper. Let me just hold this up. Wow, see, that was all wrinkly. Put this up on your wall, it's so cool. Okay, let's just have fun with that later. So here it is, Oliveda I01. I stands for eternal. 01 is the first product this company ever made. This has got so what I'm gonna have here, it's an olive tree concentrate, is the olive leaf extract. I've taken an olive leaf extract before in a powder, and this has the camu berry added to it. So what this is high in is, if I can say that word, hydroxytyrosol. Okay, that's what it's high in, and that is like an amazing antioxidant. There's so many health benefits that attribute to that. I wrote a couple things down, but my main thing is really inflammation. But it is really good for the gut. I've heard a lot of girls saying how their guts improved because, well, a huge part of our immune system, like 70%, is in the gut. So that's good. And yeah, so it's like an internal skincare, which I'm all about. I love putting stuff on my skin, but I love taking internals. And right now I have to be really gentle with that. So I've been really focusing on like healthy fats and stuff. Now, what does it say on the back here? I can't really see too much on that. Okay. Well, I'm not going to take as much as it says. I'm going to probably do a very small amount just to see how my body responds, because I know this is bitter. And let's just put a little bit of water in here. I'm going to do like a shooter. Let's do a shooter. Let's give it a good shake. All right, now. Okay, it's got like a childproof lock on here. I'll be right back after I get this open. Okay, I unlocked it as soon as I paused the hammer thingy. Okay, I'm gonna like squeeze some out. So here's what it's looking like. Quite kind of golden-y. Now I was only gonna take 1/8 of a teaspoon. Now what is that? Here it is, 1/8, really small. I'm not sure what they recommended, but this is what I'm taking. Okay. We'll start slowly and add our way up. So let's just add that in. And I'll probably like sip on this too. I'm not gonna like chug it. I've gotten to that point. You know, I was doing so well. I had no discomfort. I was eating, drinking, whatever I wanted. So it was a bit of a setback, and I know setbacks can be hard, but we can either wallow in it or we can move forward. And I'm all about moving forward and healing. The body, you know, wants to heal. Give it what it needs. Okay, let's take a sip of this. Yeah, you can taste a bit of the bitterness, but I mean, I have it diluted here. So I'm gonna sip on this, and I'll let you know in a few days, like how I'm doing, and maybe I can learn a little bit more on this to share with you guys. I ordered this through my friend who is part of this company. I am just a customer right now trying this, but hopefully I can be shouting this from the rooftops. We'll see. Okay, have an awesome day.